friends, my name is Sharvi. Today I am going to show you how to make Republic Day greeting card. Let's start. First we'll take one A4 paper, then fold it. I think so many of you don't have this quilling paper, so you can even take orange color paper, then cut it into small thin lines like this, then you can even paste it. One cap of one juice bottle and I am putting black paint, or else you can only dip into the now I'm going to color the balloons with orange and green color, sometimes even white. Like this finally. This is the front page and this is the back page. Now I will write here Happy Republic Day. Now I'm going to write Happy Republic Day. This is the front page and this is the back page. The card is looking finally like this. Happy Republic Day. Thank you.